Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, this is today's look. I absolutely love it, so make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. For today's video, we actually use a bunch of different palettes because this is technically supposed to be an entry for a contest that I'm entering, but I decided to record it that way it'll be like a win-win type of thing, just because I win a contest and I also have content. So I just want to give y'all a heads up, because if y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know I like have a habit of hopping in between like 10 different palettes for one look. You don't be taking all that, but for this look I had to like kind of showcase the amount of palettes I had for this one brand, and it's Juvias Place, by the way. And y'all know I got like all the Juvias Place palettes. So but we are gonna go ahead and prime with the Rumor 5 base. It's 2:07 in the morning. Up, we got our base all blended. So the first palette we're taking is a Child palette from Juvias Place, and I'm going to be packing this dark green in the front part of my crease with an M506 brush. I need my light to brighten back up. Yeah, I've officially outgrown my makeup desk. Like, I need all different types of like side compartments and everything to lay my palettes. I need somewhere to sit my brushes. My mirror got to sit somewhere. The computer got to be somewhere. Like, I'm definitely thinking about upgrading my desk. Either that or I need to buy like a little like something where I can still like sit my stuff on the side. My second color is coming from the Warrior 3, and I'm taking this dark purple from the center, and I'm gonna pack that right beside the green. Y'all, so my makeup area, like, I don't think I told y'all, but like I turned my dining room area into my makeup studio because I leave here by myself. I'm not finna sit at a dining room table, like I'm not. So I gotta get me like a little mat to put down underneath my desk, because if I drop some makeup on my carpet, I'm gonna be so hurt. I need like one of those little clear mats too, because my chair like barely be rolling. I didn't almost flip out this chair, I know, all the 5 times. I be trying to roll on this carpet and the chair don't be trying to move at all. What did I do next? Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and blend out. So going back into the Tribe, I'm gonna take this green. I'm gonna take the light green up here with the exact same brush. I'm just really loving living by myself. Like, I didn't really know how I would feel about it. I mean, I knew it was gonna come one day. I need to give y'all a life update too, because y'all don't even know like the real, like I'm gonna just give y'all a life update eventually. I might go ahead and do that after I finish this look. You don't have to explain nothing to nobody. You ain't gotta worry about nobody touching your stuff and not putting it, like, I just love it. So right now I'm just gonna go back and forth in between these greens to make sure we get an even blend. No, like, I really wish I had done it sooner, but I mean, everybody has their reasons and everything happens at the right time. But yeah, I really love this. Like, I love it, y'all. But I'm taking the Masquerade Mini and I'm taking the pink. Now this pink right here is a shimmer, but it's like the perfect shade of what I was, it's like the perfect shade of what I was looking for. Also, I'm gonna take the Nubian Royal as well, and I'm gonna kind of really just gonna use this light purple down here at the bottom and kind of put that in between the pink and purple, and then probably go in with some more pink. So I need my lighting to do better. I don't know what setting I have my camera on that changes my auto. I think it's like the auto exposure or something like that, but I don't know how to turn it back off. Now we're gonna take another Juvias Place palette. We're gonna take the Festival, And I'm gonna take this orange shade from up here, and I'm gonna put that like right up here with the pink. It's so weird when I come on and do my other eye, because I do this eye with just my mirror light on, and then when I come on and do my recording, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 different lights on, and it's like the lighting kind of throws off like my vision because there's so many lights on my face, to the point where I can never tell if it's blended like this one or not. Like I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna go into the Wahala palette, and out of here I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like a really dark brown. It's not black, and we're just using this to define our crease. So what this does is it just darkens the colors that are already here, basically. So now I added dark purple and dark green, when in reality all I did was add a dark brown. So now you're knocking out 2 birds in 1 stone. I said 2 birds in 1 stone. 2 birds with 1 stone. I think that's the saying. Yeah. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with the 0.5 rumor base. When we pack on these colors, you want to make sure you leave like a little bit of space in between the color you put on and, what am I trying to say? Basically leave like a line. Why am I so bad at explaining things? Y'all get what I'm saying though. You pack your color on, don't pack it all the way up to your crease where you cut. Leave a little bit of space. That way you can go back in with your white eyeliner. So for the eyeliner though, I'm just gonna use the Suva liner that I don't like, but I never bought another one, so. So the glitters I'm using are from Glow Glitters. I be wanting to show y'all my glitters, but I would just be so scared I'm gonna waste them. But that's what they both look like. And the fine glitter is called Diamond Dust. The other one, I don't think it has a name. It doesn't. Yeah, another layer of lash glue, and then we're gonna go right on top of that with the glitter. And then I just take a brush, a large brush, and dust off this excess glitter. I want to do my face off camera because I still need to get a battery. But I'm gonna do my face right quick. If you guys want to see how I do my face, please refer back to my last, I think my last makeup video or the one before that. I'll link it on the screen somewhere or down below so you guys can see what I use. But I use the same thing all the time, so I'll be back. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. I wasn't really sure if I like this lip, but I just ended up leaving it on. I feel like it's too nude, if that's a thing. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.